record. So annotation means it may be dimension and text or tag. What is the mean by tag?
Attributes.
Attribute. Okay. So tag means attribute. Text is individual information for the specific object. Dimension is for the measurement. Okay. A tagging means whatever stored the information within the object, we have to print on the screen. That is a tagging. Let's say now I am going to the Revit. For example, here I have the one is structural foundation. Second thing is a column. Okay. Let's say I want to place a dimension. I will go to the annotate and I use align dimension. Okay. 1, 2, like this. If you want to place a column dimension, like this. Right. Let's say now I want to place the column dimension, your information. Let's for example, if you select the column, what is the column name? We have the 700 by 700 column name. Let's say I want to give this 700 by 700 means C1 column. Okay. 700 by 700 means C1 column type 1. When you select here, I can see the 700 by 700, but where I need to update the C1, if I go to edit type, here we have the type mark. Here I will give the type mark as a C1. Type mark means this is a type 750 by 750 is a type. 750 by 750 means C1. Okay. Now let's say I'm taking one more column. I'm going to edit, duplicate, let's say 800 by 900 column. Okay. This is 800 and 900. It's a different type, correct? For this type, I am going to name as a C2. This is C1 and this is C2. Let's say, for example, this column 700 by 750 by 750. If you go to the edit type, I can see the C1. Okay. If I select this column, again C1. If I change into the 800 by 900, it will be changed to the C2. Now, I use these codes C2, C1 instead of telling these dimensions. Now, what I want to do, I want to place my type mark. Now, type mark is a tag for this column. The type mark information is stored within the column. Now, I want to place this C1, C2 like this here. One method is I can go to the text. Okay. I can write the text same like AutoCAD. C1. Okay, this is simple. I can copy wherever I want. Copy. Let's see. C1. This is again I need to edit as C2. This is the process how we do the in AutoCAD. Right. But information already within the column. I want to place same information here to avoid the errors and the mistakes. So I will delete it. This text information. This is the individual text. There will be no relation between the column and this text. I'm going to delete it. Now I will use the tagging information. We go to the annotate. Here you can see the tag by category. Okay. We know category means a different layer. If you select the tag by category, if I move on the foundation, I will get the foundation text. If I move on the column, it will get the column text. Okay, just place it tag. If you want to remove leader, select the tag and remove the leader. Okay, but I want to place my type mark here instead of the dimension. I want to place my type mark. As we know, Revit is a family dependent software. Whatever you take, it is a family. Family means it's a block in AutoCAD. When I select this column, this is one family. I'm getting the edit family information here. If you select the tag, again it is a family. If you select the foundation, edit family, again it's a family. Now what I do, I will edit this family to get the type mark information here. Let's suppose first of all I'm going to edit it. Just select the text, go to the edit family. Means I'm going to the different module. In Revit we have the two module. One is the project and the family, correct? Now I'm in the different module. So in the module we get the create, insert this interface. Now I want to change this label. Just select the label. We are calling as a label here. If you see, when I select the object, you can see the label information and the edit label. Anything is okay. I will go here. What is the parameter available here? Type name. Okay. Just I'm going back. Type name. I'm going back to the project. When you select this column, what is the type name here? Type name 750 by 750. That is the reason we are getting the 750 by 750. If I change into the type mark, just I edited family, I will select label, I will go to the edit label. Here I will remove the type mark, I mean type name, I go to the type mark here, select it, add it. Okay. Next, load into the project, override. Now you can see the C1, C1, C2, C2. Change. But I want to change the rotation. Now it is in different angle. I want to change it. Again, I will go to the edit family. See, this is the rotation. Correct? So some rotation is there. So now I want to use Revit command here. Rotate command. Okay. Now I want to use rotate command in Revit. So far we not used. Okay. Let's say to rotate it, I select the object first and I go to the modify rotate command. If you click here, I can get the angle. Here I can give the some angle, certain angle, it will rotate. If you give the angle, so it will rotate. But if you observe the things, whenever you select the component or something to rotate, select it, go to the rotate. When you select it, base point will be automatically center of the object. Okay. Now I can rotate like this. First point and second point, manual. Select, go to rotate, base point always center of the object. First point, second point. Select, rotate. See, base point always center. First point and second point. Rotate. Base point, first point and second point. But this time I want to rotate by other option somewhere, not from the center of the object. Now I will select the object, go to the rotate. Okay. Here I have the center of the rotation, place. Wherever I want, I can place like this. First point, second point, and rotate. It's a nothing but rotate with the reference in the AutoCAD. Okay, let's say now I rotate like this. I want to load it to the project. Select it, load it. Now everything is rotated straight. Wherever you want, you can place. If you want to remove the leader, select, remove. wherever you want. Let's say now I want to place the information to the foundation. First, I will go to the annotate tag by category. I will place. See, this is my foundation details. Where from where it's reading? It's reading from this type information. Okay. Let's say, for example, I'm changing my type. Duplicate. Let's say F1. Type name is F1. Just changing the type now. Okay. Okay. Automatically it will reflect F1. Thing is, we are placing the information from some place. For the foundation, if you use a type name, here's the F1. If I change it the type name to the different, it will change automatically. Text also. Okay. If you want to edit this information, go to edit family, select the tag and go to label. Instead of the type name, you can add anything. Let's say this time I want to use my comment. Where is my comment? See. Comments. Okay, here I'm giving the comment. Select it and load into the project. Load it. Overlay. Question mark, because in the comment it is a blank. If I give Nagaraju, it will stay here. Because in the comment I given something, or else in the comment I'm giving some information, change dimension with the change dimension. Okay, let's say I'm giving a one more comment. Let's say podium column. So sorry, putting. Whatever you write, it will reflect. What is this meaning? It's reading the information from the comments. I am going to edit family. Okay. Sorry. I need to edit this text family. So this is my label is comment. If I want to remove this comment, remove it. We want to add something, width. Okay. Select it. Now it will print to the width. What is the width of this foundation? Annotate. Type by category, place. Now we can see the width. Foundation. Very simple. I want to place some information from comment. Okay. Here, let's say for example, this is my family. Instead of the family, I want to add width and comment both. Now I can see the width and comment. Here, what is happening? Here we are printing the information from reading somewhere. So how we are connecting both this information and these properties? By editing in the family. To the sorry, not this solid object. Select edit family. Okay. Here we are connecting with the comments. We are connecting 3D object to print the 2D information on the screen with the label. By using the label, we are creating the one relation between the whatever we are giving the information and the properties to the tag family. Clear? Now I want to close it. No. Like now you understood about the tagging. let's say this time I will go to the another level. Okay, here I have the beams. I want to place the tag for beam. Just I will go to the annotate tag by category. I will place my beam information. Generally, so to place the beam information, we will give the B1, B2 like this. Okay, I want to give the information with B1 and dimension. Okay, I will select the beam and I will go to the comment. In the comment, I will give the, let's say, B1, for example, this size. Right? Edit family. I want to select, edit. I want to use my comments. Okay. So we can do the, we want to increase dimensions like this. Using the dimension, we want to hide it HH. Go into the project. Now you can see the B1. Give you the B1 again here in the comment. Select B1. It will print as a B1. This size also always again B1. Select the beam and change in the comment. You can write the text or you can place the tag. Any doubt about the tagging? Annotate tag by category. It will read the category and place the information. Like this. You go to the beams, it will read the category and place the information, whatever it is. If you want to add something, select this text and edit family, you can change the label. Edit. I want to remove comment, remove it. I want to use only type name. Load it. Over. I removed all comments. It's clear?